storm brewing in Karnataka, this time over the government's revenue department's pamphlet. The leaflet shows a hand that details the schemes of the government on the fingers. The JDS has now penned a letter to the Chief Secretary questioning if this is a campaign for the Congress or a government program, alleging that the use of the hand symbol is just low-level propaganda by the Congress, and demanded that the symbol be nixed from the government leaflets. We have Deepak joining us on the broadcast with more details. Deepak, this has led to a political fight. The JDS is questioning the use of the hand symbol.
Well, yes, the JDS one of the leaders is questioning how they can use the hand symbol. Here, the revenue department using that symbol of the hand, and where in each of the fingers they have written about various of their programs. This is basically for the digitization, and it is resembling the party symbol is the charge that's coming in. As of now, we of course try to reach out to the Congress party, and especially the Minister for Revenue, Mr. Krishna Baire Gowda, is right now, holding back-to-back meetings, and his team suggests that he will go through this particular letter that has been written, and he will give an appropriate response, is what I'm picking up. As far as the JDS is concerned, they believe that overall this is just a theatrics that is being done by the Congress party to somewhere, relate the party symbol to the government schemes as well, and try to once again lure voters. So we'll really have to see with this sort of a charge that's coming in, how the Congress party and the minister in particular responds to it.
Absolutely. Now, this will remind viewers of how the Congress party also in the past has opposed the use of lotus, has objected to the BJP using the symbol of lotus. JDS today, of course, hitting out and showing the mirror to the Congress party, perhaps reminding them of that.
Well, yes, we've seen such controversies in the past as well erupt. Even in Karnataka, we've seen the Congress in the past raise questions about the airport, for example, in Shimoga that was built, or there was a proposal where it was in the shape of a lotus, and that at that point in time they questioned how the entire airport in itself could be shaped in such a manner. And now, with the Congress being in power, with a scheme like this that has come to the fore from the revenue department, and the symbol of the hand is being used.
All right. Deepak, stay on with us. Let's go across to Meenakshi. She's joining us from the newsroom with more details on that tweet put out by JDS. Yes.
Well, absolutely, Swati. So, just to put this entire controversy in context for our viewers, this is the objection which JDS has raised. This is the post which has been put up by JDS. So, they have red flagged this particular poster. What they claim, and I'm going to read, first of all, their tweet verbatim. They say, the Revenue Minister of Karnataka, is this your party's campaign program or is it a government program? The hand symbol on the government poster is undoubtedly, quote-unquote, the JDS says, a low-level propaganda tactic for the Congress, and the JDS condemns the same. JDS goes on to call it shameful, saying that the Congress is receiving low-level publicity at events that are supposed to benefit the common man. The JDS party demands that fingerprint symbol be removed from the publicity leaflets. This is a program by the Revenue Department of Karnataka. They've also put out that poster which the JDS claims has been, released by the Karnataka government, and the objection, this is exactly what a reporter obviously was also telling us about. It's this hand symbol, the hand symbol on a poster promoting a government scheme by the Karnataka government. That's what the JDS is objecting to, saying that this is a party symbol. JDS's objection and allegation is that a government program is being used to promote the party. That's exactly what the entire showdown is about. Back to you, Swati.
All right, let's go back to Deepak. Deepak, these are some obvious questions that will be raised. If it's a revenue department's pamphlet, then why is it that the Congress party symbol, the hand, is being used?
Yes, that's for the Congress at this point in time to come and rebut, and more importantly give an explanation, because the JDS is asking a question which they believe, as being part of the government, to use something that is so similar to the party symbol, and then use that as, for a
Okay, I think we lost that line with Deepak. Let's also tell you that the JDS has not just raised objection, they've also written a letter to the Chief Secretary, and the JDS has questioned if this is a campaign for the Congress party or if this is a government program. The JDS has alleged that the use of the hand symbol is nothing but low-level propaganda by the Congress party, and the JDS has now demanded that the symbol should be nixed from the government leaflets. Let's focus on this pamphlet once again. This is the Revenue Department's pamphlet. The leaflet here shows a hand, and that hand has details of the schemes of the government written on the fingers. JDS says, why use this hand symbol if it is the Revenue Department's or the government's pamphlet where you're talking about the schemes or details? JDS has also written to the Chief Secretary. Deepak is back with us. And Deepak, the JDS in that letter to the Chief Secretary wants the symbol to be removed from the government leaflets, emphasizing that this is Revenue Department's pamphlet, this is the government's pamphlet. So why use party symbol here?
Well, precisely, and they're saying, this is going to be circulated widely. They're advertising with it as well. It probably will be put up in various locations as different forms of advertisement, apart from putting it in the newspapers too. So, it will become an indirect promotion of a party and not a government work is the charge that they're leveling. We are expected to, of course, hear from him in a short while from now, the MLA itself who's written this letter, and we'll really have to see what his demand will be now that he's already shot a letter to the Chief Secretary. We're awaiting a response from the Minister for Revenue, Mr. Krishna Baile Gowda, as well. But will the pressure continue to mount, and also will the BJP as well wade into this row now is something that remains to be seen.
Absolutely. We'll wait to see how the Chief Secretary responds to that and what the Congress government has to say about it. Keep tracking the political reactions as well. Deepak, thank you for getting us the details. Moving on now, the spotlight is once again on the language debate.